Me on the Map by Joan Sweeney, illustrated by Annette Cable, or Cable. Me on the map. This is me. This is me in my room. This is a map of my room. This is me on the map of my room. This is my house. This is a map of my house. This is my room on the map of my house. This is my street. This is a map of my street. This is my house on the map of my street. This is my town. This is a map of my town. This is my street on the map of my town. This is my state. This is a map of my state. This is my town on the map of my state. This is my country, the United States of America. This is a map of my country. This is my state on the map of my country. This is my world. It is called Earth. It looks like a giant ball. If you could unroll the world and make it flat, it would look something like the map of the world. This is my country on the map of my world. So here's how I find my special place on the map. First, I look at the map of the world and find my country. Then I look at the map of my country and find my state. Then I look at the map of my state and find my town. Then I look at the map of my town and find my street. And on my street, I find my house. And in my house, I find my room. And in my room, I find me. Just think. In rooms, in houses, on streets, in towns, in countries, all over the world, everyone has their own special place on the map. Just like me. Just like me on the map. And it's got a place where you could write in your name, street, town, state, and country. And then it gives a little bit more. Perfect. And I have a couple of me on the map lesson ideas as always. But let's talk.